I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable crypto futures on Binance, follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create or log into your Binance account. Visit the Binance website or app and either log into your existing account or create a new one if you don't have one yet. Make sure your account is verified. Step 2. Enable futures trading. Once logged in, navigate to the futures section from the main dashboard. You may need to enable futures trading by clicking on the Enable Futures button. Step 3. Complete risk disclosure. Read through the risk disclosure carefully. This is important as futures trading involves significant risks. After reading, confirm your understanding by clicking the appropriate checkbox. Step 4. Fund your futures wallet. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Start trading futures. Now that your futures wallet is funded, you can start trading. Select a trading pair, set your order type, and place your trade. Be cautious with leverage settings. Remember, futures trading can be risky, so always do your research and trade responsibly. Happy trading!